Hey guys, so this video is a bit of a departure from my usual video, but it's going to be a quick one. I was out in Parkhurst on Friday to the Acquature Gallery where they showcase their terrariums, their paludariums and aquariums, and they basically stock a lot of ADA products, mainly the aquariums, but also the hardscape, rocks and plants, and the wood. And I'm actually contemplating building a bit of a nature aquarium for myself. And I just wanted to check if there would be any interest in doing maybe a two-part or a three-part series of that aquarium build, and if anyone would like to follow along as I make my way into another new hobby. I know I've got a few already, but what's one more? It can't hurt. So yeah, comment below and let me know. And I'm waiting to hear your feedback on whether I should film it for this channel, or maybe even start up a separate channel just for that. But it's just going to be one for now, hopefully. So I don't think it's going to have much content. So yeah, let me know in the comments, and then you can enjoy some of the aquariums and terrariums that the Acquature Gallery has here in Parkhurst in Johannesburg.